my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm really excited about today's video because I have been getting a lot of requests to do this video, and this is a video that's going to focus solely on lashes, fake lashes, and all of these lashes that I got are from the online store ShopMissA. So it's ShopMissA.com, and basically it is an online dollar beauty shop. They have makeup, they have like makeup tools, just a bunch of makeup and beauty skincare stuff. So they also are very well known for their lashes. I have ordered their lashes many times before. I don't think I get my lashes anywhere else these days. Like, I don't get those like $6 drugstore ones anymore because these ones are only $1. They're between $1 and $1.55 for most of them. I could even compare them to the really higher end ones that are like between $20 and $30 each. I would say it's very similar. So the purpose of this video is to show you all of the lashes. I have a good few right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 of the luxurious Faux Mink ones, and then I have a couple of the like more basic ones. I'm going to try on every single one of these lashes. This is a follow-up to my Miss A review. I filmed a Miss A review like haul about a few months ago, so I'll link that if you haven't seen that yet. Also, I just wanted to mention that these lashes, these 3D Faux Mink lashes, are cruelty-free. They're vegan, and they are, it says they're made from the highest quality synthetic fibers. And also with the purchase of any of the 3D Faux Mink lashes, that helps this charity called the Pawpaw Animal Charity Program. So basically a portion of what you buy will go to that program. That's why these lashes are $1.55 as opposed to $1. So not only are these lashes really cute, super cheap and affordable and like really good quality, they also are vegan-free, cruelty-free, and you're helping animals. Like, who doesn't want to help animals? So before I get into the video, if you like these type of videos, beauty videos, fashion videos, then subscribe to my channel and like this video, turn on notifications for more, and stay tuned for my eyelash try-on review. Okay, so I'm gonna just start off by naming the different ones that I got. They're all a name. Brianna, I got the Gia, and then Yoni or Yanni, I got Tori, Charlene, and Vanessa. So those are the 3D mink lashes, faux mink lashes that I got. And then for the basic ones, I got Elizabeth and Luella, and they're both black. So let's see, what should I start with? Maybe I'll start with these two since these are kind of more basic and it's just 2 of them, so we'll get them out of the way. I'll start with these first. So this is what the Elizabeth one looks like. As you can tell, they are very thin, a lot thinner than the faux mink ones. These are super thin, so I'm gonna be super careful to not like rip it apart. Oh god. If you have seen any of my previous makeup videos, I don't like to use tweezers to put my lashes on. I use my fingers, and I know most people use tweezers. I just could never get like the right hand-eye coordination or the right motor movement. I don't even know what you call it, but my hands just can't use a tweezer to put on lashes. It just doesn't work for me. I don't know why. Oh, that's cute. I really like that. It's very natural looking. It almost looks like I slept on my face at night and like messed up my eyelashes and like they got all curly. Okay, so there's the first pair. You can kind of see the white glue a little bit because it hasn't dried yet, but I really like these. I think they're very natural. Like, this is more for like a daytime kind of look. I don't think I would wear these at night. I think I would wear more dramatic lashes at night, but like for during the day, like going to like brunch or something, I would totally wear these. I really like these. If you can see, they're very, yeah, the ends are very like curly, very like messy, but you know, I kind of like that look. Here is Luella. These are a lot longer than the ones I just tried on. They're not as tangled and messy at the bottom, but they're still pretty wispy. Luella. Oh my god, that reminds me of Ella Enchanted. Remember Ella Enchanted, that movie? Ella. Luella. Wow, very long and thin, so that's nice. Super natural looking. These are not bad. Nice for, again, a daytime natural look. Okay, so this is Luella. So now I'm gonna move on to the premium lashes. These are Gia. They are long and pretty wispy. I really like these ones. These are super long as well. All of these are really long. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. They're almost like really too heavy. Sometimes when I wear lashes, they're like way too heavy on my eyes and I like tear up a little bit, but that is really nice. So yeah, this is the Gia, G-A-I-A. I'm gonna link them all below, but this one, I really like this one. This is like more glam, but it's like a natural glam. It's not like the thick bush on top of your eyelid. So I really like these ones. Now let's do, oh god, these look like caterpillars. This is Vanessa, and look, that's very long, very glam and thick. Here we go. This is what they look like. Oh, this one's kind of coming off, sorry. I'm like doing these really sloppy, by the way, so if they're like sticking out or like if they're not placed properly, then just ignore that. I'm just trying them on. Okay, so I like these. I like how they look. This is not an everyday type of lash. I think for a more like very, very glam look at night, like maybe a smoky eye look, I think would be nice with these lashes. But yes, they are very thick and very glam. I like it. I like how they look. They make my eyes look a lot fuller, and yeah, I like them. Moving on, we will do Yanni now. So I really like this style because I kind of like how it kind of goes out. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it kind of like goes out. That's probably not the best way to explain it. Loving these. I just love how it like is kind of like shorter up here and it kind of gets longer as you go out into the corner. They're very thick on the base of the lashes and more thinner at top. They're pretty wispy. Ooh, it just makes my eyes pop. Like, okay, let's look at the difference. Can we just look at the difference of how I look with and without lashes? Naked, like glam. Okay, ready? Beautiful. Naked. Oh, I really, really like this one. Okay, I'm very happy about that one. I think that's my favorite so far, Yanni. Next, I will try on Tori. Here's what they look like. They look pretty basic. So here is Tori. These are thick as well. The shape of them is pretty basic. It's kind of just like your standard like mink lashes that like go straight up, and they're like, there's really no shape to it. I do like the edges and how they are wispy and pretty thin at the end. Yeah, I don't have much to say about this. They're okay. I'm not like wowed by them, but they aren't bad. I would definitely wear these. But yeah, they're pretty good. So that's Tori. Next, I am trying on Brianna, and these look like they're in my ballpark. They are very natural looking. They're not too thick, and they're very wispy at the bottom. I don't know if you can tell, but they're there. They're very wispy, very thin, and super natural looking. Basically, they're just really long and just very wispy. Oh god, this one's not staying on. I love this look. This is definitely very natural. This is a lot more natural than the other 3D mink lashes that I tried on. So I love this. This is one of my favorites. So far, Brianna and I think it was Yoni that are my favorites, and also Gia. I think all of them honestly are like favorites. A closer look. So yeah, they are very thin and wispy and long. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are down to our last pair, and this is Charlene. Pretty long, not as thick. These are really similar to Vanessa. I think it's Vanessa, or oh no, it was Tori. It's kind of similar in shape, but just not like, this one is obviously thicker, and this one is thinner, but the shape is pretty the same. Here is Charlene. I think they're okay as well. I think, you know, again, not much shape to it. It's just your pretty basic shape. Very wispy and very thin, but I don't have complaints. It's not bad, but again, this one doesn't wow me. But I mean, they're not bad, and for $1.55, you know, it's cute. Okay guys, so those are all of the lashes that I got. So let's see, overall impressions. I am overall really happy. I spent probably $10 on all of these lashes, on like 8 pairs of lashes. So I'm happy with what I've spent and what I got. So we'll start with these two. So the more natural ones, I really like these for a, like I said, daytime look. So I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of these. I think out of them both, my favorite might be Luella or Elizabeth. I mean, they're both really similar, so I like them both. I really don't have a preference over one or the other. So, and these were $1, so I will just probably stock up on these and buy a lot more. And then for the premium lashes, I am overall happy as well. There were a couple that I don't see myself wearing that often, and that's probably Vanessa, and then I think it was Tori. Vanessa and Tori, they were good, but they were a little bit too thick and too long for me. This one is Tori, and then this one is Vanessa. So this one I don't think I'm really liking just because of how thick and long it is. This one is okay. I just don't see myself like repurchasing it again. But my absolute favorite ones from what I've tried on are definitely Brianna. That one is the more natural and kind of thinner one. And then also Yoni. I just love the shape of them. The shape of them is like my favorite. And then I also like Charlene, which is what I'm wearing right now. I think this one is nice. And then Gia was good too. I like Gia. So yeah, I'm overall really happy with these lashes, and like I said, like, you can't beat the price. It's literally $1 for those basic ones, and then $1.55 for the faux 3D mink ones, and also it's vegan, cruelty-free, and a portion of your purchase will go to the Paw Paw charity and help animals. So honestly, it's just an overall win-win situation. All of the styles I think are really good. It's just more what you prefer for lashes. So if you like thinner, more natural looking mink lashes or faux mink lashes, then I would get Brianna. If you like a more dramatic, thick lash, then I would get Tori and Vanessa. So I'm gonna link everything below. You can check out these lashes, and there's a lot more on the website. I didn't buy all of the mink lashes. I just bought a few. I think I bought like half of what they have online. So you can check out the rest of them online. I will link all of these things below, and just check out the whole website because they have a lot of really good stuff. They have like a bunch of cool tools and all that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel and like this video if you did, and I will see you all in my next video.